Hey there, imagine being told you'd never walk again. Say it. And then one day you do. Today I've got a jaw-dropping story for you. It's about a paralyzed man who stood up and started walking again thanks to an incredible scientific breakthrough. So here's the scoop. In Japan, a man who was completely paralyzed received a single injection of reprogrammed stem cells and, wait for it, he can now stand up and is learning to walk. I know, it sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's real. This isn't just a one-off miracle either. Another man in the same trial regained some movement in his arms and legs. How cool is that? Let's break down the science. These aren't just any stem cells. They're called induced pluripotent stem cells, or iPS cells. These are adult cells that have been reprogrammed to act like embryonic stem cells. Basically, they can transform into any cell type the body needs. In this case, 2 million iPS cells were injected directly into the spinal cord injuries of the patients. The goal? To regenerate the damaged spinal cord by transforming into neurons and glial cells, the essential building blocks of our nervous system. Now, who were these brave pioneers? 4 Japanese men, all over the age of 60, who had suffered spinal cord injuries just 2 to 4 weeks before the procedure. The iPS cells came from a donor, and the program had government backing since 2019. The first human patient was treated in December 2021, with 3 more following in 2022 and 2023. After a year, no side effects were observed, and 2 of the 4 patients showed significant improvement. That's a big win, right? What makes iPS cells so special? They're created from adult cells taken from easily accessible areas like skin or blood. These cells are then reprogrammed by introducing 4 specific genes using viruses or mRNA. This process takes several weeks, but the result is stem cells that can be injected into damaged areas to regenerate tissue. But hold on, let's not get ahead of ourselves. Larger trials are needed to confirm the effectiveness and determine if this works for all types of spinal cord injuries. Every injury is different, so what works for one person might not work for another. Professor James St. John, a neuroscientist, called the results a great positive outcome and very exciting, but also emphasized the need for more research. The takeaway? We're on the brink of something extraordinary here. The idea that one day paralysis could be reversed with a single injection is mind-blowing. So stay tuned and keep your eyes on the horizon, because the future of medical science is looking incredibly bright. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this amazing story with your friends. Catch you in the next video.